Are you tired of losing potential customers because of high shipping costs? Shipping costs can be a real pain, but what if we create a coupon to offer free shipping? Hi guys, this is Spoolie. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to create a coupon that offers free shipping in your WooCommerce store so you could attract more customers and make more sales. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, let's go to our demo store. Hover over WooCommerce and then click the settings right there. Next, click shipping. As of right now, I have only one shipping zone that I set up right here. But first, I am gonna show you how to add a shipping zone so that you could add a free shipping method within a new one. Click Add Shipping Zone and then enter the zone name right here. Add a zone region and then next click Add Shipping Method right here. From the drop down, select Free Shipping and then click Add Shipping Method to save it. And then go hover over the free shipping to click the edit link. As for the free shipping requires the option right here, select a valid free shipping coupon. Click the Save Changes button. Now, this free shipping method is saved automatically. It's all good to go for the new zone that we just created. Now let's go back to the main shipping zones. I will show you how to add a free shipping method within an existing zone that you already created. Just click that zone. As of right now, the US zone has only one shipping method, which is flat rate. Now we are going to add another shipping method. Now let's click Add Shipping Method. And then from the drop down, select Free Shipping. And then click Add Shipping Method so that it will be added and saved automatically. Hover over the free shipping link to click the edit link right here. And then from the drop down, select a valid free shipping coupon and then click the Save Changes button. Now for the US zone, we have two shipping methods ready. Let's go create a coupon code. There are two ways to access the coupon's dashboard, which is under the WooCommerce settings right there. Or another way is it's under the marketing menu link at the bottom right there. Scroll to the top to click Add Coupon. Enter a coupon code right here. You should add something that is meaningful. Well, it's up to you. In this case, let's add for free shipping or something like that. Next, add a description right here so that you know what it's for. Next, for the first general tab right here, we want to leave it as a fixed cart discount. Just leave that option alone. And the next option, just leave the 0 in that box. And then the next one, make sure you select this option. It's for the coupon to grant free shipping. We already enabled this in the free shipping zone. And the last box is for the expiry date. So just pick one right here. Let's pick this one. And next, click the usage restriction tab. Alright, the first box is for minimum spend. You could add whatever you want, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, or just leave it alone for no minimum. And the next one is maximum spend. So add whatever you want there or just leave it alone for no maximum. In this case, I want to check this box. It is for the individual use only. This coupon can't be used in conjunction with other coupons. I don't want that. It's up to you guys if you want to check that or not. And the next one, I just will leave it as it is, unchecked. And this box is whatever the products you want for this coupon to be used. And the next, you could exclude the products or the product categories, or exclude the categories, or you could even allow the emails. So it's up to you. Let's go to the last tab, which is usage limits. For this box, let's add one per coupon, and the next one just per user, because I want just one person who could use this coupon only for one time. And then once everything looks good, just click the publish button. And all right, let's test it out. Let's copy this coupon code and let's go to the front end of the store. All right, let's go to my store page. Let's add a product. Let's add this t-shirt. Okay, I need to select a size. And then just add to cart, and let's review the cart. Oh, I have 2 t-shirts already, so I'm gonna remove the pink one. All right, let's view the cart. And let's add the coupon code in that box right there. All right, just paste the coupon code right here. You could also type it manually if you remember the whole thing, and then just click the apply coupon button. It doesn't matter, it's uppercase or lowercase, just then click the apply coupon, and then here it is, it's apply. So there is another option for us to pick. It's called free shipping. We just pick that one because the coupon is applied. You have to pick it manually. In this case, there's no sales tax to add to this t-shirt's total amount because I live in a state that doesn't collect sales tax when you buy clothes and shoes. All right, you guys have a fantastic day wherever you are. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.